especially convey their gratitude to everyone who have supported them in their reign. And here they are. Let's welcome on stage our Ginoo ning Anunas 2024 second runner-up. Zayden Amir.
Good evening. Standing here tonight reminds me of how powerful and every journey can be. The last time I joined a pageant, I discovered something truly valuable: growth, gratitude, and a deeper understanding of who I want to become. That experience taught me that success is not only measured by achievements, but by the courage to rise, to improve, and to keep pursuing your purpose. It showed me that the beauty of resilience and the strength that comes from the choosing to try again. Tonight, I stand here everyone who has ever faced challenges, yet continued to move forward with hope. If you gave me the honor to serve as your king, I will use my voice to inspire confidence, inclusivity, and the belief that every dream is valid and reachable. Today, I stand before you stronger, more determined, and ready to serve with a heart with full purpose. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great night.
Ginoo ning Anunas 2024 first runner-up, Aston Rupilius.
Ako nga po pala silang ni Aston Rupilius. Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil binigyan po kami ng pagkakataon na mailabas namin ang aming talento at mapasaya ang aming mga kabarangay. Nagpapasalamat rin po ako sa Panginoon, sa family at sa friends ko sa pagkabay sa akin. Nagpapasalamat rin po ako sa makeup artist na si J. Flores, si Ayan Taro, Ben Peña, at si Francis Cagman. Nagpapasalamat rin po ako sa buong SK Council and kay Sir Josel. Maraming salamat sa pagkabay sa amin.
Ginoo ning Anunas 2024 Tourism, Drake Bandis.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Last year, I stood on the stage with one goal to give my best. And tonight, I stand here not just as Mr. Tourism, but as someone who grew, conquered challenges, and proved to myself that I am capable of more than I ever imagined. To the organizers and judges who trusted my abilities, thank you for giving me the platform to grow and discover more about myself. To the judges, thank you for seeing potential in me when sometimes I doubted myself. To my fellow candidates, thank you for the memories, the laughter, and the friendship built along the way. And to my family, friends, and supporters, salamat sa walang sawang pagtitiwala at pag-angat sa akin, lalo na ng mga panahong ako'y napapagod. This crown pushed me to live with purpose, to represent with pride, and to stay true to who I am. At ngayon, as I pass on this title, I do it with confidence, knowing that I gave everything I could. Maraming salamat po.
We welcome the entrance of the reigning Ginoo ning Anunas, Sebastian King Munar.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Standing here tonight as your Ginoo ning Anunas 2024 fills me with overwhelming gratitude and pride. This journey has been one of the most meaningful experiences of my life. An experience that allowed me to grow, to serve, and to represent the spirit of our beloved barangay Anunas. When I first stepped onto this stage, I carried with me the hopes of my mother, my family, my girlfriend, my friends, and my community. I wanted to prove that being a Ginoo is not just about appearance. It is about leadership, purpose, and heart. And throughout this reign, I have been reminded again and again that true greatness comes from humility and service. To our organizers, sponsors, and the entire production team, maraming salamat po for believing in this advocacy and for creating a platform where young men can showcase not only their talents but also their dreams for our barangay. To my fellow candidates, thank you for the brotherhood before me. You inspired me, challenged me, and reminded me that competition is beautiful when built on mutual respect. Tonight, as I pass the crown, I know that the next Ginoo will continue the legacy with passion and integrity. To my family, friends, and my girlfriend, walang sapat na salita upang maipahayag ko ang aking pasasalamat. Your unwavering support gives me strength during moments of doubt. This victory is ours. And to the people of Anunas, thank you for welcoming me into your life, for cheering me on, and for allowing me to serve you. You gave meaning to my title, and you made this crown shine brighter than I ever imagined. As I take my final walk, I leave this stage not with sadness, but with joy and hope. My reign may end tonight, but my commitment to this community will continue far beyond the spotlight. May the next Ginoo stand strong, led with compassion, and uphold the values that make Anunas truly exceptional. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay ang barangay Anunas.
Mutya ning Anunas 2024 third runner-up, Sandra Manda.
Third runner-up comes to an end. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to those who supported me and believed in my potential. It was an amazing experience. My heart was full to be able to stand up and represent my beloved parentheses. I want to thank my friends, family, and God for being my strength along this journey. This moment will forever be engraved in my heart and will always be a part of who I am. I know this will not be the end, but just the start of a bright future. Thank you, my beloved Barangay Anunas. Again, this is Sandra Vandal, your Mutya ning Anunas third runner-up, signing off.
Mutya ning Anunas 2024 seventh runner-up, Wena Balaba.
It's hard to believe it is already been a year since my first pageant. I didn't expect much that day. I just wanted to try and experience it. But it turned out to be the moment I received my very first round as second runner-up ng Mutya ning Anunas. A memory I will always carry with me because it showed me that sometimes the best things happen when you least expect them. This is me officially saying goodbye to the glitz and glam. Thank you, pageantry, for being part of my beautiful growth.
Mutya ning Anunas 2024 first runner-up, Irish Troy Dizon.
Good evening, everyone. This journey has been a dream come true, and I'm so grateful to CJ, my family, dance friends, supporters, and even those who doubted me. Well, because growing up, I dreamt of wearing flashy gowns and sparkly tiaras, hoping to present myself with confidence. But as a typical Wisconsin kid, people around me doubted me, saying I am not beautiful enough and that I'd eventually fail. But thankfully, I didn't listen. I didn't listen to the voices that told me I wasn't enough, the whispers that I wasn't beautiful, or the dogs that tried to hold me back. And I'm so glad I didn't, because it led me to this wonderful moment. So to those people who doubted me, thank you for fueling my fire and pushing me to prove myself. You made me realize that beauty is not just about looks, but about heart, passion, and determination. So as I bid farewell, I'd like to leave you with a quote. Be the spark that ignites the fire of kindness in someone's heart. Let's spread love, kindness, and beauty wherever we go and make this world brighter. Maraming salamat po.
Mutya ning Anunas 2024 Tourism, Rochelle Gaspar.
Tonight marks the end of a beautiful chapter and the beginning of a new one. Wearing this crown has been one of the greatest honors of my life. It taught me confidence, resilience, and the importance of using my voice with purpose. To the organization, thank you for trusting me and for giving me opportunities to grow. To my clown team, thank you for making me feel confident and beautiful every step of the way. To my family, Matt, Pa, and Eugene, to my friends, and to my boyfriend Manny, your unwavering love and support has always been my strength. Thank you for supporting me, believing in me, and standing by me throughout this entire journey. To my successor, I pass this crown with pride and excitement. May you continue to shine, serve with heart, and make this title as your own. As I step forward, I carry the lessons, the memories, and the love we found here. Thank you for allowing me to be your queen. This journey will forever be a part of who I am. I am Rochelle Angela Lucero Gaspar, your Mutya ng Pilipinas, Pampanga, 2025, Anunas City, and forever, Mutya ng Anunas 2024 Tourism, signing on.
Welcoming the entrance of the reigning Mutya ning Anunas, Cypria Ngalan.
Supporters, cherished friends, and the heart of our community. As I raise and stand here, from Mutya ning Anunas 2024, my heart overflows with gratitude and a bittersweet farewell to the incredible journey that brought me to this moment. From the first nervous steps on stage to the countless hours of preparation, laughter, and tears, this path has shaped me in ways I never imagined. It wasn't just about the crown or the spotlight. It was about discovering the strength within, the unwavering support of those who believed in me, and the joy of representing our vibrant barangay and youth spirit. To those who stood by me, especially to my parents, my family who supported me all the way to every step of my journey, I always want to say thank you so much. To my trainer, Sir Josel Javier, and makeup artist, Selena Zula, your tandem has prepared me and always made me ready on stage. Thank you so much. To my cherished fans who clapped and shouted so loud that I didn't notice who did not, thank you so much. To Mama Chart, Sir Richard Strands, who made us all standing with his astonishing wardrobe that made us all candidates confident, thank you so much. To Sir Hermes Vargas, who shared us wisdom and inspirable quotes during our journey for MGNA, thank you so much. And to SK Council and Miss Annie Calitana Borromeo, Kuya Roger Lagsamana, and especially to SK Chairwoman Miss Reina Nagsamana, who made this all happen, thank you so much. And to every soul who offered a kind word or a helping hand, who guided me with love and grace, to my fellow contestants who became sisters in this adventure, and to you, the people who cheered me on. Thank you for making this dream a reality. This title is more than an honor. It's a call to action. Let it inspire you to chase your own aspirations, to embrace your unique life, and to remember that every challenge is a stepping stone to greatness. This title is not an end, but a new beginning, a reminder that true beauty lies in kindness, resilience, and the courage to chase our passions. As I bid farewell to this chapter, I carry forward the inspiration to make a difference, to advocate for kindness, and to empower the next generation. May our paths be filled with the same magic that brought me here. With boundless love and unwavering hope, farewell to this chapter, but hello to the endless possibilities ahead. With love and eternal gratitude, may our journeys continue to inspire and unite us all.